First tonight, a new vaccine on the way. Today, a key CDC advisory panel gave Johnson & Johnson's vaccine the green light. And with that new vaccine comes new possibilities for tackling the pandemic. News 8's Jacqueline Francis spoke with one of the area's top health officials about that vaccine and what that could mean for us. She's live in Grand Rapids with what they had to say.
Hey Heather, we're here at the Grand River Aseptic Manufacturing Facility that's actually helping produce the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The newly approved vaccine is generating a lot of excitement among health officials as it's easier to administer and you only need one dose. Johnson & Johnson is the third coronavirus vaccine to gain FDA approval, coming with a few notable differences from the first two.
We think we're going to be able to use it in kind of new and different ways than we've been able to use Pfizer and Moderna.
Chief Medical Officer at Mercy Health St. Mary's says the approval of the single-dose shot will not only increase the overall supply of the vaccine in the U.S., but it'll also allow for new ways to get shots into arms.
This option brings with it a lot more flexibility because it doesn't have the ultra cold storage requirements that the first two vaccines did. It's going to allow us to expand further out from just the hospitals.
Like when it comes to getting the vaccine out to remote or underserved areas.
I think this will allow us to get further out into rural communities, maybe where there isn't access to ultra cold storage.
Compared to Pfizer and Moderna, Johnson & Johnson's vaccine is slightly less effective, but health officials say it works, so get it.
I think if you have the opportunity to be vaccinated against COVID-19, you should do so. This is still a very effective vaccine. If we would have seen this vaccine first, we would have all marveled at how effective it was. But, you know, it's coming on the heels of two very, very effective vaccines, the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. But really, they're all very useful tools in fighting.
Nearly 4 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will start getting shipped out tonight, but exactly where they'll be shipped out from is still unclear. The Grand Rapids-based company here is in charge of the fill-finish portion of the vaccine production process, but due to security concerns, they really can't tell us much about when or how things will start getting shipped out of here. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.